Welcome to TVDSM subscribers and those who have not, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon after subscribing my channel so that you can see my latest videos first. So guys, in today's video I am going to unbox the 1x18 diecast model of Jaguar XJ220. So please watch this video till end. So let's start our today's video. So guys, this was the unboxing of Jaguar XJ220, and guys, this video is not so good as compared to my old video, so the like of this video is just of 20 likes. So for today's video this was all, and let's meet in another exciting video. Till then, goodbye, and as always say, stay fit and healthy, and thanks for watching the video.